All right, good afternoon and welcome to the Babaya Sports Stadium. Kumasi Asante Kotoko match Omobo against Samartex, the home comer. And the game is at 3 p.m. Time check. May hear me watching it and say it's around 1:30, and there's the state of the Babaya Sports Stadium at 1:30. But we'll be coming up with the starting 11 of Asante Kotoko. Now, you bet me now you can you people would appreciate and somehow do and about the numerous changes of course within the left and right back and other positions you can't have seven on everybody at Amama so my name again is Obed Champon. You can call me Obed. Exactly at this moment there is not much people here at the stadium. Asante Kotoko the boss no about a good field in so Isamedu Ababa Sheshabon the both teams Abba they've arrived at the stadium at the moment. We are waiting for the warm-up to start probably in the next 30 minutes. The warm-up will start here at the Baba Yaras. This is me. Yes, I'm at the venue. Trying to send you the air course. So this is the state of the place, and I'll be back. Now, we come home, but say I'm back. Now, with the starting level about the sum. So, Yamamanya, a fail of a year, the Babaya Sports Stadium, and the air course. Now you call line up no emfa emamo. And when I catch them said there will be changes. And indeed changes next year. But let's start with Samartex live from the Babaya Sports Stadium. Kofi Ba, former goalkeeper. Edema Kumasi Kinfaisa no and Edemu Edi Ama Samartex captain for Samartex. Abrante Feni Emmanuel Keyeke ono and captain Samartex team no. Richmond Darkon mfimfini ho enya asem ketwa ono hye jesi number 8 for Samartex. Baba Hamidu Musa jesi number 11 for Samartex ono eso ejinamu esi akan. Isaac Alfo echiri ho obunua pa waka ho. Emmanuel Mama ono ena elidi attack as the number 9 for Samartex. Oshe jesi number 20 Dauda Yusuf Seidu Jesse number 28 ono so ebo mfimfin hobi ono ene Richard Darkon ena Emmanuel Keyeke na the midfield 3 meaning say Abrante Fen Ebenezer Okran is on the bench for Samartex. Wemo ene midfield 3 no Ebenezer Aqua ejinemu bi na wenya James Sewenu formerly of Heart to Folk Obobi ena Evans Osei Wusu enti attack no jersey number 70 Evans Osei Wusu operate from the left wings. Na Baba Amidu Musa operate from the right wings. Na Emmanuel Mama ono ejina number 9. Midfield no Keyeke as the number 10. Na Richard Darkon ono abo number 8. Na Abrantia your friend Chese Dauda Yusuf Seidu ono abo as the number 6 for Samartex. Na echire hono meaning changes akoso ewo Samartex team no pa. Eno ye say Emmanuel Edusian left back and one started inti na say obenya James Sewenu as right back. Na wenya Isaac Afo as left back. Na omo maka no atoto asosa edi ama Samartex. Na goalkeeper fe no Kofi Ba LED attack no ede amomo enti eno kakra medema Richard Beidu goalkeeper formerly of Heart to Folk ono ewo bench. Coach Nuruddin Amedu ene obaya as usual onso no mfa la course no in diagro obone la course no kama na Samartex impenifo na aka no Henry Wellington ono so eka ho onso ono ni nua no ene Orlando Wellington de na last season oye Kotoko assistant coach ma Seidu Zerbo no ono ni nua no mototo aso a wanya Paul Ayamba so ono ye oye welfare officer ono so omatro ni dia ahye team list no so obetena bench de ama Samartex. Now let's come to Asante Kotoko. But Kotoko ma memfan to anim say Justice Nkuku Blay enka lineup no ho. He's missing in action. Steve Dese Mukwala is missing in action. Onka squad no ho. Isaac Opon is suspended. Into Opon so enka squad no ho. Na when your brand your friend Bernard Somwa also is suspended. Onka squad no ho. Richmond Lamptey nsɛm no expect Lamptey around how to folk. One she could be me a call after how to folk game no. The Lamptey will be out for some time. Lamptey enka squad no ho. Muis Poite onka squad. Quickly, my man ran through the lineup. Frederick Asare returning as the goalkeeper for Asante Kotoko and also the captain. Inti akyerese Lamptey nim Danlad ewo bench. George Infuege enka team no ho. Inti 3 captains ni nyina no obia ni lineup nti Sharif Mohammed anka normally otimi act as the captain ono so apura na Justice Blay eso otimi bo as the captain so apura. Inti Freddy Kasare is the goalkeeper and the captain of Asante Kotoko. Ewo match him right back. Emmanuel Quarter on nebo right back, left back and numere mede to wanim say changes beba Nicholas Osei Bonsu ena ebo Nana Benyini Amwa enka team no ho hyene so efa emame back two no enam say Blay nka ho ntino ubenya Abranti a yefen Henry Kwame Ansu on Yusuf Nuruddin in a back four system for Asante Kotoko. Andrews in team menu airport as the number 6. Now when ya Enoch Morrison on Eric Zeze airport as the 2 midfielders almost supported Abranti Freno Andrews in team menu and a front 3 of Peter Aminu Aqua. Now when ya Babayaya any Abrantia your friend Kalu Tara for Asante Kotoko. This is the line of Freddy Kasare, Quarter, Andrews in Timenu defensive midfield, Yusuf Nuruddin Henry Ansu, Nicholas Osei Bonsu, Enoch Morrison, Babayaya, Peter Aminu Aka, Eric Zeze, and Kalu Watara. Bench, Mamimboni Teu, Emfa Emamo, Richmond Opoku, Rocky Damana, Nicholas Mensa, Samuel Asamoah, Julius Ofori, Ziggy, Ameki the squad, Shadrach, Ado, Danlad Ibrahim, Sharif Mohammed defender, ene Abrante Fen Augustin, e Japan, Wemo ene Asante Kotoko lineup na, jete mamo. Enti midfield no, yebehe Morrison Yaya, Morrison Zeze, hono, role no, almost starting game na abeti di enti ameye so based on training grounds no, coach assessor system sa players miensa no they will rotate among themselves. Yaya, Zeze, Morrison in front of Intimenu based on training. They say a bit me account because ball never started. The 3 will rotate. Peter Aminu Aqua Kalu Watara ebe lead the attack no. So rotation no depending on the transition. Either Yaya be konanim ana Morrison mum ne be konanim because ogum pese olodu ne midfield no. Inti a more of 4 central midfielders depending on whether Kotoko defensive and now more offensive. Or more attack eba be 3 or more defend eba be 4 no major Peter any Kalu ewo enim ho. Na Kalu so was specific eduma obeye in the game. On twintu nachi obetua to enim. But let's start here obetias here. How to stop Keyeke is the question of the day. But a team menu eduma Korte Emark Evans Oseusu na Andrews Nicholas Osebonsu ɔne Baba Amidu Musa ɛso wɔ the other side of the 10-10 enti warm up no enche be starte but line up no ene de ekoso na de ama so no Blay, no Mukwala, no Sharif Mohammed, no Lamptey, no Isaac Opon, and no Samoa, but it's still a solid team and we are hoping for the best. Paul Kupine stand with Selbert here on YouTube. Bye bye.